How to write your CV so it makes it to the eyes of the hiring manager. A full step-by-step guide. First, you're going to add your contact information, a URL to your LinkedIn profile, and 3 job titles related to the roles that you're applying to. Next is the professional summary, 4 to 5 impact statements that summarizes your experience and demonstrates to the hiring manager that you are qualified for the job. Key skills and achievements next, the most important part of your CV. You need to list 6 to 8 skills related to the job you're applying to. You need to back up each skill with an example from your experience. So do your best to include evidence of when you applied the skill and it led to a positive outcome, result, or achievement. And at the end of this section, list all of the technologies that you have experience using, and if you speak another language, list it here. Professional experience section, you list your job title, the company name, the location, the years of which you were employed, and 5 to 6 duties and responsibilities that you had. For your education section, just keep it simple. Name of your degree and course title, the name of the university, the college, the school, the location, the years you attended, and any notable modules or subjects that you studied related to the job you're applying to. You don't have to include results unless they're specifically requested. Here's just an example. If you have any certs or professional training, just put in the title of the certificate, the awarding body, and the year that you received it. Volunteer work next, put the title of the position you held, the name of the organisation, and the months and years that you volunteered. If you've received any awards, just put the title of the award, the name of the awarding body, and the year that you received it. Last up, hobbies and interests. If you're going to include this section in your CV, use it to show off your transferable skills. Don't just list a bunch of hobbies. And you'll end up with something that looks like this. If you need to